Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to reset wireless settings on HP Smart Tank 580 printer. Restore Wi-Fi network connection. Step 1. Wake up the printer. Press any button on the printer control panel to make sure the printer is in a ready state. Step 2. Activate setup mode. Press and hold the information button for 5 seconds until the control panel buttons light up. Step 3. Reset wireless settings. Press and hold the wireless Wi-Fi button and the cancel button together for 5 seconds. Step 4. Wait for the Wi-Fi light. Release the buttons when the Wi-Fi light starts blinking blue. This indicates that the printer's network settings have been reset and the printer is now in Wi-Fi setup mode. Step 5. Reconnect to Wi-Fi. Within the next 2 hours, open the HP Smart app on your phone or computer. Select Add Printer. Choose your HP Smart Tank 580 from the list. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete setup. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.